Face everything and rise. A 40-second challenge for you business owners and CEOs over 40. Quick motivational push to confront fears head on for business growth. So hey, are you ready, fearless CEOs and business owners over 40? Today, we're not just talking about facing your fears. We're challenging you to do it in the next 40 seconds. So get your clocks and your stopwatches out. Yep, you heard that right. It's time to face everything and rise. Now, I know what you're thinking. 40 seconds, that's not even enough time to get anything done. But here's the thing. That's exactly why it works. We're not giving your fears time to put up a fight. We're not giving you any time to mentally rethink this thing and talk yourself out of it. So here's your challenge. In the next 40 seconds, I want you to do one thing that you've been putting off. Maybe it's making that tough phone call. Maybe it's hiring another employee for a different department you want. Maybe it's delegating some tasks that you just don't have time to do. Maybe it's launching those ad campaigns for a product line that you know that's ready, but you've been putting it off and you've been putting it off. Whatever it is, do it right now. Why? Because it's those 40 seconds you're rewiring your brain. You're telling yourself, I don't run from challenges, I rise to meet them. And let me tell you, that's a game changer. This isn't just about conquering one fear. It's about building a habit of courage. It's about becoming the kind of leader who faces everything head on and inspires others to do the same. So are you ready? Your 40 seconds starts right now. And when you're done, shoot it in the comments what fears you faced head on. Everyone would like to know, so share your comments. And when you're done with that, head on over to the Cliff Diver's Edge and get your Rise and Conquer action plan, which is called Soar Beyond Your Limits. And it turns those 40 seconds into a lifetime of fearless leadership. Ready to kick fear to the curb and unleash your true potential? Dive into our fear-busting toolkit called Soar Beyond Your Limits, the Cliff Diver's Edge. It's time to turn those false perceptions into fuel for your success.